Here we're looking at IBM on the monthly, and this is one that has done very well, and for some time really was one that was just not trading well for quite some time. You could see this sideways action that it hit, and it really didn't break significantly and for a while here. And then you could see it had a very, very huge move. I mean, very big in proportion here, but justifiable here. And then you start to see, if you look at the prior initial swing here, and this was the dot-com boom here, and here's the real estate boom. You could see, okay, you saw a bigger move here, but it made sense because you really saw prices run sideways a while, and then you saw the break through that. So there was a pretty significant breakout to the upside here. But as you start to see that, you're starting to see some potential divergences. Prices start to kind of come up into this range. You're not seeing the momentum here, and if anything, you're really starting to see a tail off in the momentum here on the MACD. Look at how you see that happens. Very indicative when you start to see a pretty significant decline. You're starting to see that tail off here, and that's what's happening is when you start to see these first couple initial little quakes here that's happening here. You can see prices kind of holding on this 21-day moving average on the monthly. So far it's still kind of holding that, but it does look like you could be seeing a double top here around the probably around the 212 range, where you're seeing it. You just have a very tough time kind of breaking through that range. I would be watching any big break through this range, through the 190 here. I would anticipate probably a pretty good correction move here, probably into the 150 range in IBM, and this is one that I do think it has a potential to start to weaken a little bit. When you look at it, let's just quickly take a look at the daily, no, the weekly here.